On the edge of the Red Desert in Australia lived a young kangaroo named Rico. He was fast and agile, but he always stayed close to his mother because the world felt big and a little scary. One day a strong wind brought a sandstorm. Rico got lost and found himself all alone. His heart was beating fast, but he remembered his mother's words. Keep moving forward. He gathered his courage and started jumping over dunes, past bushes, until he finally saw a familiar tree. There, his mother was waiting for him. From that day on, Rico knew that even when you are afraid, you can find your way if you don't give up. Subscribe for more stories. Bye!